With the launch of TVS Apache RTR 180 and the Flame 125, TVS Motors has launched yet another bike. This is TVS Jive. With the launch of TVS Jive in India, India became nation who has clutchless bikes in it. TVS Motors, the third largest two-wheeler maker in India, recently introduced India's and its first clutchless bike, TVS Jive. The bike was launched after a great success of TVS Flame SR125 and TVS Apache RTR 180 in India. The power mill of 110cc generates a peak power of 8.4 bhp at 7500 rpm. TVS Motor already has an automatic clutch bike TVS Neo in Indonesia, and it used the same technology here. The bike is loaded with its innovative technology T-Matic that allows gear shifting without manual effort. The front face of the bike is awesome, that looks like any sports bike. The round shaped turn indicators looks very sexy. The rear view mirrors and grab rail is not painted in the body color. The instrument panel is comprised of two dial pods. The right side pod of the console houses the gear indicator, while other indicators like fuel gauge, speedometer and other general indicators are also there for your convenience. The bike is painted with light shade graphics but eye-catching. TVS logo is pasted at couple of parts of the machine such as the windscreen, fuel tank and at tail side. The seat of the bike is wide and looks comfortable. The seating area for the passenger is slightly stepped up for comfortable riding experience. The silencer of the TVS Jive comes in long size with a silver color heat shield. The bike comes loaded with 110cc air-cooled engine. Due to T-Matic and anti-stall mechanism, there is no need for you to shift the gears. The bike goes smoothly in the traffic. Jive comes loaded with a 4-stroke air-cooled single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 110cc. The bike has 4-speed automatic transmission without using the clutch lever. The machine got a unique technology, T-Matic clutch, that provides the rider the facility to shift gears without operating the clutch lever manually. Apart from this feature, the bike has an interesting mechanism, that is anti-stall mechanism. It promises hassle-free riding experience even at lower gears without the powertrain shutting off. And a very cool feature which might attract everyone, that is starting in any gear. In other words, you do not have to worry about proper gear mode when to start the bike, as it can be started in any gear, whether in neutral or fourth. Self-start option also adds to the comfort and style. The company has provided the bike with class-best wheels and tires. The bike has alloy wheels and fat rubber to the tires. The 18-inch wheels of the bike provide enough capability to clear the traffic easily. The bike incorporates conventional drum-type brakes at both the ends. The bike has the most advanced and innovative features loaded, such as hands-free gear shifting and anti-stall mechanism. The gearless scooter type under-seat storage provides another option to scooters in India. The appearance is awesome, supported by alloy wheels and stunning graphics. Even though the Jive has many latest features, but the shock absorbers and the brakes are very general. Body colors are very few, which may disappoint many of the customers. In this segment, we are going to explain you the various terms and technologies used in automobile industries.
When the driver fully applies the brakes in a vehicle without the anti-lock brake system, the brakes can lock. This causes the wheels to stop turning, which makes the tires skid. Skidding tires have very little grip and are not effective at stopping or turning the vehicle, so the driver may be unable to take evasive action. With ABS, when the driver fully applies the brakes, the system uses sensors to detect any brake lockup and rapidly pulses that brake to prevent it from locking. This helps to prevent skidding so the tires can maintain grip. It also helps to allow the vehicle to be steered around obstacles while braking. One way to think of ABS is allows braking and steering. When a driver applies the brakes, the tires carrying the least weight or load are most prone to skid. This can happen either braking in a straight line or braking while cornering. In this example, the vehicle is braking normally while cornering. Without electronic brake force distribution, the uniform brake force results in uneven braking and can lead to brake lockup due to the difference in load among the tires. When electronic brake force distribution senses lightly loaded tires, it reduces the braking power to those wheels to help prevent the tires from skidding. The wheels with the greater load maintain higher braking power to help the vehicle stop more effectively. Think of electronic brake force distribution as a pre-ABS system.